Inside this fantasy, it seems so real to me. Synthetic ecstasy when her legs are open. True life behind the wall, where men and angels fall. A fading memory when my mind is frozen. Of a wanting eyes, she strips everything away. This one moment is intensified and the colors all fade to gray. I am in the only place that I want to be, though we know that it ends eventually. But it's alright, cause right now we're frozen.
I wanna forget mistakes that helped me make. It's better to be broken than to break.
Fantasy, it seems so real to me. Synthetic ecstasy when her legs are open. True life behind the wall, where men and angels fall. A fading memory when my mind is frozen.
Let's go.
Light and darkness are both intertwined. The elements are in their place. With one motion of a wanting mind, the real world begins to fade. And all the hateful things I have become temporarily go away. Inside this fantasy, it seems so real to me. Synthetic ecstasy when her legs are open. True life behind the wall, where men and angels fall. A fading memory when my mind is frozen. When my mind's frozen, take me anywhere you wanna go. Far from anything that feels like home.
Let's go.
Here ain't anyone I wanna be.
It's here and now it's only you and me.